Imagine a world where age is just a number, where wrinkles and gray hair don't mean you're running out of time. What if I told you, living forever might not just be a science fiction dream but a goal that scientists are actually working toward? We've been obsessed with immortality for centuries. The ancient Egyptians, they had their mummies and elaborate tombs. Alchemists, they searched tirelessly for the elixir of life. But now, it's not just a fantasy. Advances in technology, biology, and even artificial intelligence are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So how close are we really to living forever? Let's dive into the mind-blowing science happening right now that might soon have us saying goodbye to aging as we know it. First up, the most obvious hurdle: aging. We age because our cells age and get damaged over time. But some scientists have found ways to potentially reverse this. Ever heard of CRISPR? It's a revolutionary gene editing tool that's already being used to target age-related diseases. In the future, it could stop or even reverse aging right at the cellular level. Aging is a disease, and like any disease, it can be cured or slowed down. We're discovering ways to reprogram cells to act younger. This isn't science fiction, it's happening. This could mean repairing your cells and DNA like you'd fix a car. Imagine reaching 70 and feeling like you're still in your 20s. Wild, right? But what if you could replace failing organs with new lab-grown versions? Scientists are already 3D printing organs. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about lab-grown hearts, kidneys, even lungs, perfectly customized to fit you. No more waiting lists, no risk of organ rejection. Imagine a world where organ failure is no longer a death sentence. AI might just be the ultimate ally in our quest for immortality. Think about it. AI can already diagnose diseases more accurately than humans, predict health trends, and even assist in complex surgeries. Researchers are working on systems that can predict when and where issues might arise in your body years before they happen. And this tech is only getting smarter. Some futurists even believe that AI might allow us to upload our consciousness into a digital realm. Imagine living forever, not in a body but in a virtual world, free from the limitations of age and disease. The digital afterlife sounds like something out of Black Mirror, but it could become a choice within our lifetime. Now I know what you're thinking. Are we really ready for a world without death? It sounds amazing, but would it have consequences? Overpopulation, resource scarcity, and even the very essence of what it means to be human would all be up for debate. Experts say that within the next 50 years, we might see people who could live well past 120 or even longer. And while true immortality might still be out of reach, living to 200 or beyond isn't as impossible as it sounds. Each year, scientists inch closer to unlocking the mysteries of aging, disease, and the mind itself. So are we closer to living forever than we think? Maybe. But one thing's for sure, we're on the verge of some incredible breakthroughs that could change what it means to grow old, or to never grow old at all. If this future excites or terrifies you, let us know in the comments below. And who knows, the future might surprise us all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious, because tomorrow's science might just make forever possible.